Hello dear students, myself Vyas Bhumika. Today I will teach you Standard 6 English Grammar. So first of all, open your textbook page number 37. Assignment 22, Tense Auxiliaries, Negatives. In previous video, we were watched about tense auxiliaries questions. So let's see assignment 22. The negatives of the sentences in the progressive perfect and future non-progressive tenses are made by adding the word not to the auxiliary after it. Means progressive, perfect and future non-progressive tenses के sentences नेगेटिव फॉर्म में बनाने के लिए हमें ऑक्सिलरी के पीछे नॉट लगाना ज़रूरी है, तो ही वो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनेगा. नॉट, that not is shortened to nt when joined to the auxiliary verb. मतलब जब हम नॉट को ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब के साथ ज्वाइन करेंगे तब हम उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म एन एपोस्ट्रोफी टी ऐसे लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, नंबर 1 विल नॉट, उसका होगा वांट, एक्सेप्शन केस में ही, मतलब कभी कभी ही. नंबर 2 आर नॉट, उसका होगा आरंट. नंबर 3 इज नॉट, उसका होगा इजंट. नंबर 4 वॉज नॉट, उसका होगा वॉजंट. नंबर 5 वेर नॉट, उसका होगा वेरंट. नंबर 6 हैव नॉट, उसका होगा हैवेंट. नंबर 7 एंड लास्ट हैड नॉट, उसका होगा हैडेंट. मीन्स ये जो सभी हमने ऑक्सिलरीज देखे उसमें हम अगर नॉट लगा के उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखेंगे तो हमें ऐसे लिखना पड़ेगा. द ओनली एक्सेप्शन टू दिस इज एम नॉट विच रिमेन्स द सेम. मीन्स एम नॉट एक ऐसा एक्सेप्शन केस है जिसको हम एम नॉट ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म नहीं होता है. AIN apostrophe T is sometimes used as a shortened form of am not in informal speech. जब हम informal speech का यूज करते हैं तभी हम am not का AIN apostrophe T ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं. Now take a pen and start writing the answer of the exercise through this video. Heading of the exercise is write the sentences in the negative. Sentences negative form में फिर से लिखने हैं. Okay. Number 1, the children are playing in the field. Children field में खेल रहे हैं. Here are is an auxiliary verb. So we have to write the negative form of are. The negative form of are is are not. Here we have to write the short form of are not. So are not short form is aren't. So the answer is the children aren't playing in the field. बच्चे फील्ड में नहीं खेल रहे हैं. नंबर 2, they will play in the test. वो टेस्ट में खेलेंगे. Here will is an auxiliary verb. Will negative form is will not. But here we have to write the short form of will not. So short form of will not is won't. So the answer is they won't play in the test. वो टेस्ट में नहीं खेलेंगे. Let's see number 3. She was cooking vegetables. वो खाना बना रही थी. Here was is an auxiliary verb. Negative form of was is was not. But we have to write The short form of was not. The short form of was not is wasn't. So the answer is she wasn't cooking vegetables. Let's see number 4. Our friends have helped us. हमारे friends ने हमें मदद की है. Here have is an auxiliary verb. Have's negative form is have not. But here we have to write the short form of have not. So have not short form is haven't. So the answer is our friend haven't helped us. Number 5. I had been to London. Here had is an auxiliary verb. Had's negative form is had not. But here we have to write the short form of had not. So the short form of had not is hadn't. So the answer is I hadn't been to London. Number 6. The cows are grazing in the field. Here are is an auxiliary verb. Are's negative form is are not. Are not short form is aren't. So the answer is the cows aren't grazing in the field. Number 7. We bought the tickets for the live game show. हमने live game show के लिए tickets खरीदी है. Here have is an auxiliary verb. Have's negative form is have not. But here we have to write the short form of have not. So have not short form is haven't. So the answer is we haven't bought the tickets for the live game show. Number 8. She was crying the whole day. वो पूरा दिन रो रही थी. Here was is an auxiliary verb. Was negative form is was not. But here we have to write the short form of was not. The short form of was not is wasn't. So the answer is she wasn't crying the whole day. Number 9. The baby is sleeping. Baby सो रहा था या सो रही थी. Here is an auxiliary verb. But here we have to write the negative form of is. The negative form of is not. So we have to write the short form of is not. Short form of is not is isn't. So the answer is the baby isn't sleeping. The stars are visible in the sky. Stars sky में visible हैं. In this sentence, are is an auxiliary verb. Negative form of are is are not. Are not short form is aren't. Answer is the stars aren't visible in the sky. Star sky में visible नहीं है. तो इस सेंटेंस में आपको क्या करना है? आर का आरंट लिखना है और बाकी का सब्जेक्ट और अदर पार्ट है सेंटेंस का उसको एज इट इज लिखना है. नंबर 11. माई फादर हैज मेट द प्रिंसिपल. मेरे पापा प्रिंसिपल को मिले हैं. इन दिस सेंटेंस हैज इज एन ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब. नेगेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ has is has not. Has not short form is hasn't. Answer is my father hasn't met the principal. Number 12 is the birds are singing. Birds गाना गा रहे हैं. In this sentence are is an auxiliary verb. Negative form of are is are not. Are not short form is aren't. Answer is the birds aren't singing. Now turn your page, page number 38. You have to write the answer of sentence number 13, 14 and 15 in homework. Okay, I hope you all understood this assignment 22 very well. Thank you.